Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to fold the Tesla Model Y trunk cover. First, locate the two small release tabs positioned on the front edge of the trunk cover, closest to the rear seats. You'll need to pull both of these tabs simultaneously towards you. This action disengages the cover from its securing points. Once released, gently lift the front edge of the cover upwards, preparing it for the next step in the folding process. Now that the front edge is lifted, carefully fold this section backward. You'll notice a natural crease or hinge point in the middle of the cover. Align the edge you just lifted with this central crease. Take a moment to ensure the fabric lays smoothly and flat against itself. This prevents any wrinkles or damage to the cover material, making the subsequent folds much easier and neater for storage. With the first section neatly folded, proceed to fold the entire cover in half once more. This time, fold it towards the rear of the vehicle. The goal is to create a compact, rectangular shape that is easy to handle. Once folded, the cover is ready for storage. The Tesla Model Y has a convenient subtrunk compartment where this folded cover fits perfectly, keeping your trunk tidy and organized. Folding your trunk cover offers several advantages. It significantly maximizes your cargo space, allowing you to carry larger items without obstruction. Furthermore, storing it properly protects the cover from potential damage or wear and tear when it's not in use, extending its lifespan. And speaking of keeping things fresh, if your car could use a little pick-me-up, check out the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. A fresh scent makes every drive better.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.